Chief Justice Martha Koome has now appointed a 3-judge bench to handle the case of the 6 judges left out by President Uhuru Kenyatta in his recent appointments. The 3 judges, James Wakiaga, William Musyoka, and Justice Dulu, will jointly hear 2 cases challenging the president's action. Chemutai Goin has the latest development in the case that has once again put the president at loggerheads with the judiciary.
The setting up of the 3-judge bench marks a definitive stage in the high-stakes case that has put the new Chief Justice on the spot just weeks after she took office. The president's decision to reject 6 nominees of the Judicial Service Commission, seen by many as an affront on the independence of the JSC and the judiciary, both headed by the Chief Justice. The 3-judge bench comprising Justices James Wakiaga, William Musyoka, and Dulu is expected to consolidate petitions filed by the Katiba Institute and a Nakuru surgeon Dr. Magare Gikenyi Benjamin, both challenging the president's action. The JSC had sent a list of 41 to President Kenyatta in 2019 following a public recruitment exercise. One nominee, however, passed away during the ensuing standoff. High Court Justices Joel Ngugi, George Odunga, Agri Muchelule, and Weldon Korir had been recommended for appointment to the Court of Appeal, while the Registrar of the High Court Judith Omange and Chief Magistrate Evans Makori got nominated to join the Environment and Lands Court. But observers have pointed to the curious coincidence that both Ngugi and Odunga were part of the 5-judge High Court bench that declared President Kenyatta's legacy project, the BBI process, null and void. In their prayers, the petitioners want President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint the 6 nominees, arguing that his action undermines the authority of the JSC in the recruitment of judges. Katiba Institute had unsuccessfully tried to block the swearing-in of the 34 judges and their subsequent assigning to their respective stations. 7 out of the 34 were deployed to the Court of Appeal, 9 to the Employment and Labour Relations Court, while the remaining 18 were sent to the Environment and Land Court, which is one of the courts worst hit by a backlog with over 15,000 pending cases. In fact, a case filed this year can only be heard in 2022. Chief Justice Martha Koome, together with her predecessors David Maraga and Dr. Willie Mutunga, have all asked the president to appoint the 6 nominees to avoid breaching the constitution and to help ease the backlog in the courts. The president, on his part, has vowed to stand by his decision. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.